Hello everyone, this is Cody from basecamptrading.com. Just wanted to show you guys a quick setup I'm watching here in Ford. We had this descending trend line across the highs, and we took that out today. Momentum is turning higher. We have to get above 1450. We are right at it, so watch that to see if we keep moving higher. Right around 1450. We're hitting it right now. So I just wanted to show you guys this setup that's occurring here today. So above 1450, we can keep climbing in Ford. If you're interested in these kind of trades, we do have a 30-day trial for only $7. So if you want to check that out, feel free to email support@basecamptrading.com. But thank you and have a nice day.